Make a great choice today with the 2021 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, cargo net, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, compass, powerful, controlled, resourceful, Expedition. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort